If statement, part 7, not operator. In this lesson, we will cover another type of logical operator. This one is pretty simple. It turns a boolean to its opposite value. For example, not true is false, not false is true. That's it. That's all there is to it. It's very useful when you're trying to check for the opposite value, like if 1 doesn't equal 7, or if you want to check if a condition doesn't happen, do this. Let me show you two simple examples of that. We'll create int a equals 2 if a, the not is represented by this symbol, and to write not equal you just add an equal sign to it, and then let's say not equals 3. A does not equal 3. This will return true because a equals 2, it does not equals 3. So this is one way to use the not operator. Let's write something so we'll see it on the console. Not 3. And let's show you another example, but with a boolean. Boolean b equals true. Let's check if not b. If not b, output not b. Now, when we run this again, you will see it will only print not 3, because b is true. Here it checks if b is not true, not b, which means false. If we were to leave it at b, the condition will only be true when b is true. But when we add the not operator, it only returns true if b is false. So let's see it in action. Not 3. So how do we make it write not b? Again, by just changing it to false. And then when it's false, b is not true, so not b, meaning when b is false, do this. Let's run it. And that's it. That's all there is to it. It's a very simple operator. It can also be used to cancel bigger arguments, like the huge arguments we've seen in the last lesson. You just put this symbol, the not symbol, before the argument, and it checks for the opposite when it returns false and not true. You will see me use it throughout this course in different projects, but I just wanted to show you again just the syntax, how it looks like, what it does, and the basic example. And that's it for this lesson.